Stop scrolling if you deal with crazy heat, dry air, or outdoor cooking struggles. This video is for you. I found 3 gadgets that look simple, but they actually fix real everyday problems. These are things people are actually using every day. Watch this till the end, because number 1 might surprise you. If summer heat makes you feel like you're melting, this hands-free fan might be the coolest thing you didn't know you needed. This neck fan wraps around your neck and uses a bladeless quad-cord turbine system to push air all around you. Instead of spinning blades, it pulls air in and sends a smooth 360 breeze through multiple vents, so you stay cool while your hands stay free. Perfect for walking, workouts, yard work, or long outdoor days. You get a clean LED display that shows battery and speed in real time. There are 3 speed levels depending on how hot it is, and the 4000 mAh battery gives you hours of cooling on a single charge. A lot of people who work outside or deal with heat daily actually rely on this, because it's simple, portable, and just works. If you're always dealing with heat on the go, this is one of those weirdly satisfying gadgets that actually makes a difference. Number 2. This tiny ship doesn't sail. It literally makes your room feel better in seconds. This ship-style humidifier uses ultrasonic tech to turn water into a fine mist that comes out like smoke from the chimneys. Just add water to the 250 milliliters tank, and it gently adds moisture to your air without making anything wet. It comes with 7-color ambient lighting to match your vibe. You also get a remote control, so no need to get up every time. Plus, there are 3 timer settings to control how long it runs. It works as a diffuser to making your room smell clean and fresh. And honestly, the steamship design, it looks weirdly satisfying sitting on your desk or shelf. If your room feels dry or boring, this is one of those small upgrades that makes a big difference. Number 1. Cooking outside in the wind is a nightmare. Unless you have this beast. This portable gas burner uses a powerful 4000-watt infrared system to create a strong, steady flame. The split design is the real game changer. The fuel tank stays separate, connected by a long hose. It's built with solid iron, so it can handle heavier pots with no problem. You also get a smooth control knob for precise flame control, and when you're done, it packs down small enough to fit in your backpack. Outdoor campers and backpackers like this because it's reliable, powerful, and way more stable than tiny pocket stoves. If you're serious about cooking outdoors, this is one of those tools that actually makes your life easier. So, which one would you actually use? The hands-free fan, the relaxing ship diffuser, or that outdoor cooking beast? If you want to check them out, I dropped all the links down below. Go take a look before they sell out. And hey, if this video actually helped you find something useful, hit like and subscribe. I post gadgets that aren't just cool, they actually make sense.